Today, we're learning how to control shutter speed on the Canon Rebel T7. Shutter speed controls how long the camera lets light in, and it also controls motion. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to freeze action or show motion blur on purpose. Shutter speed is the amount of time the shutter stays open when you take a photo. Fast shutter freezes motion. Slow shutter shows motion blur. Shutter speed is measured in seconds or fractions of a second. For example, 1/1000 is very fast. 1/60 is medium, and 1/10 is slow. First, let's put the Canon Rebel T7 in the correct mode. TV stands for time value. That means when we control the shutter speed and the camera helps with the rest. Turning the dial to the right gives me a faster shutter speed. Turning the dial to the left gives me a slower shutter speed. 1/1000, 1/500, 1/125, 1/60th, 1/15th. The smaller the bottom number, the faster the shutter. So you're going to use a fast shutter speed when something is moving. For example, sports, running, jumping, throwing objects. For action, use 1/250 or faster. For very fast movement, use 1/1000. When should you use slow shutter speed? Slow shutter speed shows motion blur. For example, in water, cars, light trails, and creative photos. One important rule, if your shutter speed is slower than 1/60, you should use a tripod. If not, your photo may be blurry. Let's check your understanding. I will ask a question, think about your answer, and I will read the correct answer after a short pause. Question number 1. What does shutter speed control? Is it A, color, B, focus, C, motion and light, D, zoom, The correct answer is C, motion and light. Question number 2. Which shutter speed is faster? 1/30, 1/60, 1/25, or 1/10? The correct answer is C, 1/25. Question number 3. Which camera mode controls shutter speed on the Canon Rebel T7? Is it A, auto, B, AV, C, TV, or D, M? The correct answer is C, TV mode. Question number 4. What happens if your shutter speed is too slow while holding the camera? Is it A, the photo is darker, B, the photo is blurry, C, the photo is sharper, or D, the camera breaks? The correct answer is B, the photo is blurry. Question number 5. Which shutter speed is best for freezing action in sports? 1/30, 1/60, 1/250, or 1/5? The correct answer is C, 1/250. Your challenge is to take 3 photos. 1 photo with a fast shutter speed, which will freeze the motion, 1 photo with a slow shutter speed that will show some blur, and 1 creative photo showing motion blur. Just a reminder, shutter speed controls motion, fast freezes, slow blurs, and now you are in control.